Hi everyone, my name is Shadavdas. Today I am going to explain about MuleESB. So what is ESB? ESB is the Enterprise Service Bus which is used to connect different applications and it is used to transfer data from one application to another application. Why MuleESB? Because it is a lightweight Java-based ESB. All the backend things are in Java. So if you want to manipulate anything, you can do it easily. It is highly scalable since it is in cloud. So for making any Mule project, we need to install Anypoint Studio and JDK 1.8. During this Mule project, we will be using Postman. Postman is a tool which is used to call APIs. Let's let's create the first project. Open Anypoint Studio, go to File, click on New, go to Mule project, put project name, first Mule project, click on Finish. So in the project section, different folders are there like source main Mule, source main Java, source main resource, etc. Source main Mule, it is used to design Mule project where we can drag and drop different components. In the source Java section is used to use core Java code and the resources are there which is used to give the property file. Another thing is that in Mule project there is a XML file called pom.xml. It is nothing but a maven which is used to build Mule project. In the pom.xml file you will find group ID, artifact ID, version. Group ID is nothing but a company name. Company name for which you are developing Mule code, and the artifact ID is your project ID, and the version is the version of the code. So in the below, you will find something like dependency. Dependency is a so in the dependency you will find artifact ID, HTTP connector, and socket connector. So if you go to Mule project, you will find two dependency. One is HTTP, one is socket. So here is two dependency. That is why in the pom.xml, two dependencies are there. Basically, this HTTP connector is used to connect HTTP module and the socket connector is used to connect socket module. Now go to the design section, click on HTTP, drag HTTP listener Go double click on listener. Name should be listener. You can put anything in the display name. And the connector configuration. Click on plus. Name. Protocol is HTTP. Host is default 0.0.0.0 and port 8081. Click on OK. Put the path. You can put anything. Slash hello. You can save. Now drag set payload. Drag and drop set payload. Click on set payload. Hello Mule. Click on save. For better tracking, you can use logger as well. Logger messages payload. You can save. Now right click on the project. Go to run as. Wait for a while. Sometimes it takes time. Run as Mule application. Build success. Wait for a while. Let it be deployed. Sometimes it takes time to deploy. Wait for a minute. Yeah, now it is deployed successfully. Now we will go to Postman. Postman is a tool to connect or to call different API. Go to Postman, which is the local host as I put. The host name is localhost. Go to hello, click on send. Here is the output. Hello Mule. Now I will be explaining about query parameter and UI parameter. Query parameter is a let's give you example. Name equal to sugar. In the query parameter, we have this key value pair, but in UI parameter, we don't have such things key value pair. It should be something like this. This is UI parameter. Let's create the lab and then we'll check. Go to set payload, click on value function, it's concat dot dot UriParam dot new. Let's save it and see what is output. It is deployed now. Now go to Postman, this query parameter. So name is sugar. We can send. Yes, it is there. Hello Mule sugar. Now let's see UI parameter. Name payload should be attribute. It should be attribute dot UI parameter dot name. Click on save. Go to console. Deploy it. Let's trigger the project name. Then hello mail URI concatenated with should. Let's create a variable set the name dot dot name and name and string. Go to set payload, change these things. It should be for calling any variable. It should be var dot variable. And save. This different. Let's trigger the same. See, this output hello me divide variable. So that is all for today. We will explain more in the next section. Thank you. Thank you all.